Hello friends, this is the card that we are going to make today. This is Agnes, and before we can move on to the video, do subscribe and click the notification bell. For today's card, I will be using vellum, and the one I am using here is about 180 GSM in thickness. I'm going to use a circle scale and cut out few circles. You could also use circular dies if you have them. After I cut, I am just going to rub off the pencil marks. I use a white gel pen to draw over the vellum cardstock. White gel works best on vellum, and you can clearly see the letters written on them. I actually thought to complete the card only with the vellum, but later on decided to do more quilling. So if you decide to do the quilling, there is no necessity for drawing the extra designs. I use a black marker to draw the cord and also a small tiny bow over it. And then I use a small rectangular piece of vellum over the circle shape to make it look like an ornament. I use double-sided tape to stick the vellum to the cardstock because glue will shrink the vellum and it won't look nice. I'm using pearl color 3D outliner to make few random spots over the card. And also you can see this completed part because I have used double-sided tape over the middle section of the vellum, and because it is left open after the quilling, you can see the glue marks of the double-sided tape. So if you are going to quill over your vellum, make sure your double-sided tape goes just behind the quillings so the dirty marks of the glue is not visible. Now I am taking 2 mm wide 300 GSM cardstock, the same thickness that I have been using for making the card base. You could also use cardstock that is about 160 GSM or more for this purpose. You can tame the paper as I do using my needle tool and my finger. You could also use a brush for this purpose. This makes the paper to bend by itself and give a circular shape so that it is easy for us to outline the ornament. I also make the rectangular part covered using the strips. Now I make some scrolls with small bits of paper and fill in them to the ornament. Finally adding glitter glue to the top of the quill parts. And when it is dry, it's ready to go. Hope you liked today's card. Don't forget to watch my other videos for this Christmas.